Welcome once again. I, Dr. Siva Sagde, Professor, Maharashtra State Institute of Hotel Management and Catering Technology, would like to introduce you to my session on floorings. The main aim of all hospitality establishments is to form a lasting impression and ensure a trail of happy guests, since there is no possibility of success without satisfied customers. When they stay at a hotel, people expect everything to be perfect, inside and out. They will notice even the smallest detail, and most of them tend to be extremely picky. Interior design plays a huge role in the impression they take away, so you need to get everything just right. Start with what they notice first, which is the flooring and carpets. The learning objectives of this session are to understand the types and characteristics of floorings and to understand the care and maintenance of the same. So, to begin with the introduction, floorings for a hotel has to not only cope with constant wear and tear and heavy foot traffic, but must always be easy to maintain, stain resistant, and above all, retain an attractive appearance. No interior is complete without a floor that matches the rest of the decor, and obviously it is the use of different types of floorings that helps segregate the different activities within the hotel space. Moreover, 70% of the department's cleaning cost is spent on floor cleaning of hotels. So let us understand the basic classification of floorings. To begin with, there are hard floorings, semi-hard, and soft floorings. Hard floorings are further classified as non-resilient and resilient floorings. The term resilient implies that though the flooring has a certain amount of flexibility and will give or bend beneath the feet, it will come back to its natural shape. On the other hand, a non-resilient floor finish resists denting because of their hardness. So let us understand a few types of non-resilient floorings. Stone, concrete, ceramic fall under the category of hard floorings and finishes. Stone is a good choice of floorings for its natural appearance and almost indefinite life. The various types of stone commonly used are marble. This is the best known for all stone floorings and is available in a wide range of patterns and colors. Marble is durable, but lighter colors yellow with age. Terrazzo. The appearance of terrazzo depends on the aggregate chippings used. The decorative chippings may be made of pebbles, marbles, or other stones set in a matrix or mortar of cement. This flooring is machine ground to produce a smooth surface. It also has a lot of variety of colors and patterns. Next we have is vitreous or ceramic floorings. This refers to flooring materials that have been made of some clay product and fired in a kiln to produce a hard stone-like quality. Vitreous materials are primarily composed of silicon materials that flow together and bond during the firing process to form a glass-like ceramic. Terracotta tiles, which are unglazed and hard-baked tiles made from hard-formed clay. They are available in a range of shapes and sizes in a wide range of natural colors like a smoky red and an orange. Next we move on to a resilient hard flooring and finishes. Wood is the oldest material used for resilient floorings. Softwoods such as pine and fir have a high degree of resilience, whereas hardwoods such as oak and maple have a low resilience. Hardwood is obtained from broadleaf trees such as oak, teak, maple, walnut, and so on. Each has its individual color, grain, and rate of wear. Commonly used softwoods are pine, fir, cedar, and rubber wood. The durability of wood floorings depends on the good maintenance and on the quality of wood. Hardwoods are resistant to abrasions and indentations, but they should not be used in wet areas. Softwood boards look good when they have just been sanded and sealed, but do not wear well under heavy use. Wood floors are warm to touch and tend to be noisy. Few examples of wood finishes are outlined as wood parquet, a high-quality hardwood flooring in which decorative hardwoods are cut into blocks and formed into panels, permitting elaborate geometric patterns such as the herringbones, basket weaves, and strips. The panels vary from 1 inch to 1 1/4 inches in thickness. Sizes vary from 12 square inches to 2 square feet. Next we have is a wood mosaic. Hardwood fingers arranged in a basket weave pattern are stuck to a sheet of packing material to form panels 18 inches square and 3 by 8 inch thick. Wood mosaic have a very good wearing characteristic. As for tiles, these are close relative of linoleum because of the asphalt used in their construction. Generally, they are composed of asbestos fibers, pigments, and inert fillers bound with asphalt in case of darker varieties, with some other resinous binder in case of lighter colors. Next we have is a butymastic flooring. This is a jointless, low-cost flooring and consists of a type of asphalt rolled onto a solid subfloor in a hot plastic state. It is soft in texture, though the appearance is that of a hard floor. However, it is completely impermeable to water. Butymastic flooring is normally black, red, or brown, used in public restrooms, hospital corridors, and other heavy traffic areas. It is also used as a moisture-proof membrane to protect other floorings. So a few characteristics of hard floorings are: they are durable but noisy, mostly cold and feel. They are also vermin-proof, fire retardant, impervious to dry rot, but exception for wood, easy to clean as compared to other floorings. Next we move on to the other classification, that is semi-hard floorings, under which we have linoleum. This is made from oxidized linseed oil or a combination of drying oils, wood flour, resins, and pigments. This compound is mixed and pressed onto asphalt soaked piece of felt or burlap, which is heated to bond the elements. Linoleum is susceptible to strong alkalis that leach the asphalt and cause cracking. It is also damaged by extreme temperatures. Low temperatures cause it to crack and high temperatures soften it. It is prone to denting and scratching too. Next we have is cork, obtained from the outer light brown bark of cork oak trees. Is ground into large granules and mixed with synthetic resin, pressed into sheets at high temperatures and pressures, and then cut into tines or strips of varying widths. Color variations are obtained by the application of different amounts of pressure and temperatures. They have a warm and restful appearance, have excellent acoustic properties. The disadvantage is they are extremely porous, dense, and burns and stains easily. Next we have is rubber. This type of flooring is made chiefly from synthetic rubber. A filler of clay is often used. It is available in various degrees of flexibility and hardness. Some types are extremely soft and used as anti-fatigue flooring, while others such as stair treading are very hard. Rubber maintains a good luster without any finishing treatments and has a good resistance to chemicals and surface moisture. But it is difficult to scrub, clean, and is not recommended for installation in areas that have a serious moisture problem. Rubber floorings resist cigarette burns as well. However, it is harmed by spirit, grease, sunlight, alkalis, and coarse abrasives. Next we have is plastic floorings. A wide range of colors, designs, textures make plastic flooring very versatile. Any subfloor is suitable for these, except for thermoplastic and mineralized thermoplastic tiles, which need a solid construction. Take floors which have a high PVC content in the surface, such as flexible PVC tiles and sheets, or PVC with various backings are very hard wearing. All types are resistant to wear, water indentation, and to most cleaning chemicals. So a few characteristics of semi-hard floorings. Semi-hard, also known as smooth floor finishes. Durable but less permanent than hard floorings. They are all resilient except thermoplastic tiles. Resistant to pests and easy to clean. The last classification we have is soft floor coverings. They're resilient floorings and include all types of carpets, rugs and mats. They're quite warm, available in a variety of colors, textures and patterns. Carpets typically consist of a backing or foundation and a surface pile which may be cut or uncut. The backing may be of jute or cotton. Linen and hemp are also used. The pile yarn may be wool, cotton, nylon or polyester. The wool is the fiber most commonly used in the construction of carpets. Carpets are used extensively because of their attractive appearance, safety factor, warmth and sound insulation. Mats and rugs may be constructed from textile fibers or harder materials. A few characteristics of soft furnishings are resilient in nature, warm, act as insulators, slip resistance, and they are available in a variety of colors, textures and patterns. As we all know, the department major job is cleaning and maintenance of the areas. So day-to-day cleaning of the hard and semi-hard floorings is sweeping and damp mopping, periodically washing or scrubbing with detergent suits. For glazed and terrazzo, we sweep and dry mop or wipe down with a mild detergent solution. When it comes to wooden, cork or linoleum floorings, if they are unsealed, apply wax and polish periodically. If they are sealed, damp mop and buff with a dry mop. We can also use a self-shine polish periodically. So let us understand the selection criteria for floor coverings. Various aspects of aesthetics and utility must be kept in mind while choosing appropriate floor coverings. Appearance. This is usually the first consideration when choosing flooring. As flooring often makes up a wide, uninterrupted surface, it has more visual impact than the furniture set upon it. So choose colors to harmonize with the rest of the room. Color, pattern and texture plays a large part in selection of floor coverings. Comfort, which is of paramount importance to both guest and staff. Warmth, quietness and softness of tread are the factors to consider when assessing the comfort that flooring affords. Hard floors are noisier and colder, offering less heat and sound insulation. Noisy floorings can cause considerable disturbance and discomfort to the occupants of a room and even those in adjacent rooms. When we talk about durability, the resistance to wear has to be considered in relation to the kind of use the floor is put to. Due to the wear and tear expected in public areas, the flooring may become tired looking very quickly. Spillages of water, grease and food acids is more likely in some places and will harm certain kinds of flooring more than others. The flooring needs to be durable only for the length of life expected of it. And this is not the same for all areas. Safety, which is an important factor to all the occupants of the building. Floor surfaces should have non-slip qualities both when wet and dry. Over polishing may cause slipperiness and this has to be avoided. We have to think about ease of cleaning. This is an important factor in the running cost of any establishment. The extra initial cost of flooring that is easier to clean may be recouped over a comparatively short time of maintenance outlay. Floorings that is easy to clean does not necessarily maintain its clean appearance throughout the day. So for well-maintained flooring, the flooring material as well as color and pattern must be carefully selected. To sum it up, I would like to say flooring is a crucial part of any interior design and can easily make or break your space. While our first interaction with a space is visual, the first physical contact a person will have with your space is the flooring. It serves as a foundation to your design and can ultimately impact its overall success. I've listed a few questions like discuss floor coverings under selection, hard floor coverings, and cleaning of floor coverings on daily basis. With this, I would like to come to an end to my session. I would like to thank you all for being patient listeners. See you soon with my another session on housekeeping. Thank you.